Bonjour, bienvenue. Here are the gestures and vocabulary for listening for lesson 216. Um, just a disclaimer, this is not American Sign Language. If it is coincidentally the same, that's great, but this is for vocabulary in French, so you can hear it and use it kinesthetically. Here we go. The first gesture is oublie. And it's like wiping your head. Oublie, oublie. Je oublie les devoirs. Okay. Second one, pense, pense. Okay. Just a rehash. Oublie, pense. Okay. Third, troisième, porte. Okay. And that is like wiping crumbs off your chest. Porte, porte, porte. I'll move that down a little bit. So just a rehash. Oublie, pense, porte. Okay. The fourth one is pousse, pousse. It's pousse, pousse. Okay. So just to practice or wrap up the first four. Oublie, pense, porte, and pousse. Okay. Pause here and practice saying them. Okay, so I'll do the gesture and you say the vocabulary. Pousse. Oublie. Porte. Pense. So before moving on, might be good to pair them up with some of our vocabulary. Je pense dans la classe. Je porte la chemise. J'oublie les devoirs. Je pousse pas. Je ne pousse pas. Je ne pousse pas. Okay, the next four. First one of this set is prépare, prépare, prépare. And it's like chopping, prépare, and move it across. Prépare, prépare. Je prépare le dîner. Je prépare les carottes. Okay. So I got revisiting the other ones. Pousse, prépare. Porte, prépare. Okay. The next one. Okay. Hand to the side a little bit, like 3 letters, and wipe the back of your hand across. Rat, rat. Okay, rat. So let's practice. Prépare, rat, okay, and you put them together. Okay, je prépare. Okay, je rate. Je rate pas dans la classe de mathématiques. Okay. Third one is comment, and it's like a twist, the thumbs up twist. Comment? Comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? Comment? Comment? Okay. So practice. Prépare. Rate. And comment. Okay. Fourth one is argent. Argent. Okay. Argent. Argent. Okay. Argent. So just practice them. Argent. comment, rate, and prépare. Okay. So now, practice closing your eyes and do the gestures as I say them. Prépare. That was like chopping. Argent. Slapping the hands. Comment. That's the thumb twist. Rate. That's like swiping off your hand. Okay, so now I'll give you some time. I will say the vocabulary, or I will do the gestures rather, and you can say the vocab, and then I'll repeat it after so you can verify your answers. The first one, prépare, prépare. Argent. Comment. Rate. Very good. Okay, and see in examples, tu prépares le dîner. Tu rates la classe de sciences. Comment est la classe de mathématiques? Tu donnes moi l'argent. Okay, last four. La nourriture. La nourriture. Okay, so it's like this. Nourriture. Okay. J'aime la nourriture. Okay, so show nourriture. Argent. Prépare. Pousse. Porte. Oublie. Don't oublie. Okay. The next one is la chemise, and that is swiping on the chest and the sides. Okay, la chemise. La chemise. Okay, la nourriture. Take a second. La nourriture. Check it. La chemise. So it's like port, but extended down. Les devoirs. Les devoirs. Okay, thumb on the cheek with the hand nice and open, not halfway open. And then up by the eye tap. So 1, 2. And then tap the wrist with your fist closed twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Les devoirs. Les devoirs. Tu veux beaucoup devoirs? Probably not. Devoir. Okay, so just to rehash, la nourriture, devoir, okay, la chemise, okay, and our last one, au sujet de, 3 words, au sujet de, au sujet de, au sujet de. And it's your left finger pointed out, and your right, give it a corkscrew touch. Au sujet de, au sujet de, au sujet de, au sujet de, au sujet de. So to practice, au sujet de, la chemise, au sujet de, la nourriture, les devoirs. Just for measure, au sujet de. Okay, so my turn. I will just do the gesture, and then I give you a pause and a chance for you to say the term, and then I will say it so that you can check to make sure you said it correctly. La nourriture. Au sujet de. Au sujet de. La chemise. Les devoirs. Okay, definitions for those at home that were absent. Oubli, wiping across the head, oubli, forget. So don't oubli. Don't forget. Pense, to think. Think of the penseur, the thinker, the statue. Okay, n'oubli, the penseur. Port, to wear. Okay. Now, coincidentally, it is the same term as the door, so you know differently that la porte, okay, la porte is different, okay, because it has an article. Pousse, to push, okay, je pousse, okay. Prépare is to prepare, but it can be used as to get ready if you make it reflexive, like se préparer. Je me prépare, I prepare myself, I'm getting ready. Rate, a little tough, to fail. Okay, when a teacher is rating the paper, they're really deciding if it's fail or not fail. Rate. So easy to remember. Rate is rotten. Rate. Okay, you don't want it. Comment. You've heard of comment ça va, comment allez-vous? You probably already know comment is how. It's a wide open question. How? Okay. Argent, money. Silver, actually, the color and the mineral or metal, if you want to keep it simple. Argent. Okay. It's the category. In France, they use euros as their currency. La nourriture, food in general, food. Au sujet de. Au sujet de is the subject of or the topic. We informally might say about. Je parle au sujet de les mathématiques. I'm talking about math. Okay. Je pense au sujet de science. I'm thinking about science. Chemise, up and on the belly there. 2, shirt in general. Okay, male or female as a category. If it's a blouse, as such as a dress shirt for a traditional female role, that is a chemisier. Okay, but chemise will encompass t-shirts, blouson, okay, all that. Devoir, homework, literally home, and this would be travailler all by itself, to work. So when you put it together, literally, homework. Okay, so devoir, travailler. Okay, take the time to copy and translate the reading so that you have the reading practice. It's really essential that you do those steps. And the story should be using the vous in the new form. So, for example, in the first quadrant that we always do, the 4 pointed fingers are vous. So our question is, est-ce que vous oubliez? With vous, you have the A, so it's vous on one side, A on the other. Vous oubliez. Okay. Then, est-ce que vous oubliez? Do you all forget? Then our answer with the 3 people is we. So nous oublions pas. Nous oublions pas. So like vous had A at the end. Vous oubliez. Nous oublions. Okay? So nous oublions. So again, starting at the beginning. Est-ce que vous oubliez? Nous oublions pas. And then the third picture, nous pensons. Okay, so whenever nous at the end is on, vous is A. Est-ce que vous oubliez? Nous oublions pas, nous pensons. Okay, the second picture, she's putting on clothes, so that's wearing. Est-ce que vous portez? Nous portons pas, nous pensons. Nous pensons. See how the nous on? In technically the 4th quadrant, our 3rd section. Est-ce que vous ratez? Nous ratons pas. Nous préparons. Okay, so nous préparons. And the last quadrant, the last section, est-ce que vous poussez? Nous poussons pas. Nous préparons. Okay. Just as a note at the end, so for when you're writing, the vous oubliez or ratez or pensez is with a Z, and the new form ends in O and S. We drop any E's from our conjugation or our copy sheets. So nous oublions, O-U-B-L-I, drop the E, O-N-S, nous oublions. Homework is 216. Don't forget that Y is pourquoi, P-O-U-R-Q-U-O-I, pourquoi, like pourquoi est-ce que. Right? Bon après-midi.